Hey there, today we're diving into the features of the Under Armour Unisex-Adult Hustle 6.0 backpack, a versatile and durable choice for anyone on the go. This backpack boasts water-resistant UA storm technology, ensuring your belongings stay dry no matter the weather. The material's soft to the touch top coat adds an extra layer of durability, making it perfect for daily use. With a secondary compartment that can double as a shoe or laundry pocket, it's designed for ultimate convenience. The secure zip front pocket is ideal for storing essential items, while the side water bottle pocket easily fits a 32-ounce bottle. Inside, you'll find a soft-lined laptop sleeve that accommodates up to a 16-inch MacBook Pro or similarly sized laptops, keeping your tech safe and secure. Plus, the mall webbing provides additional attachment points for all your gear, making this backpack a reliable companion for any adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.